Hi guys, and welcome to the educational video for the day. In this video, I'll be showing you the trade what I did today, and also I'll be telling you the announcement and news what we have from JSW Energy, Gencell, Adani Power, TCS, HCL Tech and Wipro. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this, and please note this video is only for an educational purpose. So guys, today I have decided to trade on Aura Pharma. So I'm buying this stock in the market level around 1110 to 1111. So I've just bought it now. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So today the market opening is in a bit of a bearish side, but this stock does look in a good of a support level, and there are chances that the stock can get good buyers here. Okay, so I'm planning to keep the target up to 5 or 6 points. So let's see how the stock will perform today, and I'll be showing you the end of the chart analysis and where I take the exit and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information and to see the full trade in this video. And also, if you guys wish to get the live market guidance from me and want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join us, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a profitable trader. And the course prices are very reasonably priced. And once you join us, you get everyday live market personal support as well. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me. Okay. So guys, as you guys can see here, the stock is now going up. It's in a good bull move here. So 1119 and 1120 has been also as touched here. So anyway, I'll just take my exit in next few minutes, and I'll show you where I take the exit and how the stock will perform for the day and everything. Okay. So I'll update you all the details now. So guys, yes, this is the end of the day chart of Aura Pharma, and as you guys can see here, this stock has performed very good today on the bullish side. So we bought in the morning, and as you guys can see here, the stock has gone all the way up till 1150. Yes, almost 40 points it has gone up. So anyway, I was able to manage the target by maintaining my discipline and my target points. So I took my exit by almost getting 5 points of a target. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Aura Pharma. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to join us and to get my personal guidance. Okay. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the stocks which are having some news and update. So the first stock is JSW Energy. So JSW Energy stock hits 52-week new high on firm's plan to raise rupees 5,000 crore via QIP. Okay, the floor price of JSW Energy QIP is set at 510 per share, while the issue price stands at rupees 485 per share. Okay, so this is a news what JSW Steel is having right now. So as you guys can see here, this is the JSW Energy stock chart, and if I put it in 1 day candle time frame, you can see that this stock has made new 52-week high today. Around 583.9 is a new high what it has made, and you can see here the stock is in a rising side and it has gone up. And please note, whatever the stocks and news I'm telling you in this video is only for educational purpose. I'm not asking you to trade or invest on the stocks. This is only the news what I'm having. Okay, and now let's talk about Adani Power. Adani Power hits fresh record. Even this stock has hit a new fresh record, and the stock surges 18% in the last 4 sessions. So this stock in the last 4 days of trading session, it has gone up by 18%. So you can see here, even this stock has touched and made a new 52-week high for the day. So a lot of stocks have got this breakout today. So the new high is 614.85. So these are the stocks which are trading on their higher side and on their peak side as of now. And the next news is from IT stocks. TCS, HCL Tech, Wipro rises up to 2% after CLSA hikes stock target prices. So analysts at CLSA believe that the IT firms will perform in a good side, so that's why they increased their target. Okay, so as you guys can see today, so a little bit of bullish side can be seen on today's chart of IT. So you can see here, this is TCS. It has given a good rise today, and this is a HCL tech chart. It has given good rise in the morning, but again it couldn't sustain and it has come down. And now let's see Wipro how it has performed. Even if Wipro also has performed in a good bullish way in the opening session, but later it couldn't sustain and it has gradually come down. So this is how it has performed today. And now let's check out the next news on Gensel. So Gensel Engineering is hits 5% upper circuit on 141% surge in revenue. Gensel shares are up by 151% in 1 year and on year-to-date basis. Gensel shares are up by more than 11%, and Gensel shares are up by more than 24% from year-to-date lows made in the March. So even this stock has given a very good movement, and as you guys can see here today, the opening was itself was above 5% and the stock didn't move at all. So once the stock touches that upper circuit, that will be stuck for the day. Okay, so that's how it has performed today. So even this stock is continuously giving a good side of bullish momentum in the past few days is what they have said. So guys, yes, these are the latest news and announcement what we have today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.